लागाव
Just
गासै नै
Makati, look at Makati, struggling to just run back.
गरब्रै सोजाबाय
And I think those are little things you want to get right from the dugout, from your coaching unit. Of course, they know what they're doing. This is the first game of the season.
बड'लेण्डआ गरब्रै सोजाबाय रायजो राजा नोंथांमोन बोरै जाबावनांगौ सेसखासै
Match fitness is something that we talk
टाइमा गैला
about in
हनै
the later part
9 मिनिटल'सै
after the rank up. Sometimes team come into its
बोरै
peak
जाबावनांगौ दालाय
during this tournament, which helps them throughout.
And Ashraf didn't look much tired before going off. Maybe he's just testing if all the players are ready for all the different roles that Penalty has to offer.
It's interesting now to look at a coach who can really show the entire team, look at players in matches where they are up by 3 or 4 goals, get them inside, give them a little bit of confidence. Looking at players early in matches is very important for a team.
Incoming call from Ronnie Nuji.
He's really done well, Manabi Basumatri. So it's coming on.
Incoming call from Ronnie Nuji.
They're planning to make a change.
सेस गरब्रै सोजाबाय गरब्रै बड'लेण्डआ नर्थ इस्टजों
And will stop the play on, says Kishore Kandaram Chaudhary. And Subham Sarangi using his experience to win it back.
Yeah.
हार्दिक लांलायबाय
Reached it first.
स्ट्यान्ड दोननायखौ नागिरनो
Later, it is a free kick for Bodoland in a promising area. And they will hold on the substitute. Matthias is the one.
Yeah, it's nice.
गरब्रै सोजाबायलै रायजो राजा नोंथांमोन गरब्रै गरब्रै
Inside on the line, look at that. Catch
बोरै
force,
जाबावनांगौ जाखो
just picked up,
बड'लेण्ड एफसिआ
getting his team
सेस
a set piece, but nevertheless tiring legs, humidity. These are the challenges for Bodoland.
गरब्रै सोजाबाय गरब्रै बोरै जाबावनांगौ ओइ
And what is the experienced Narsari?
नार्जारि सोसिन गरब्रैखौ गैला हनै 6 मिनिटल'सै
It will be an error.
हनै
He's on
सेस
target.
सेस सेस
And that is all.
सोनो हाला
Wonder how he could squeeze that ball through the wall straight to the goalkeeper. The wall has
बिराद गाजा गाजा जोदों बिसिना नर्थ इस्टना दिनै
to go through. But nevertheless, the goalkeeper hurt on his line, just picking it up.
कमेन्ट खालाम आदैमोन सोर नायदों फुटबलखौ आंबो नायगासिनो नै बिराद दुरबलथार जोंना बड'लेण्ड एफसिआ नर्थ इस्टना बिराद स्ट्रं सैमा फाग्ला खारनानै खारखायो ओरैबायदि डेन्जारखा
And did pretty well on the turn to put that ball into the danger area. But the young Toyma was well alert. It's very nice for him to
हलिचरन
get a chance
सोलायसिननाय हलिचरनखौसो
to display his skills. And Matthias will be looking
Says-
forward to that.
हलिचरनखौसो सोलायबाय जोंहा नै
And that is the game for Halicharan Narsari. Not quite impactful as you would expected, but
गैला सेस हेल' फुंजाब्रामा हेल'
is on the pitch.
फुटबल नायगासिनो आङो नै रायजो राजा नोंथांमोन बिराद दुरबल मोनबाय माथो नायनानै गोसोफोरखौनो
Roberto gives it away. Ajari has made the run.
सेस सेवसिगोन आयौ गैला सेस गरबा सेस बोरै जाखो गरबा सोजाबाय आयौ फैगोनलै सेस बड'लेण्डआ नै गरबा सोजाबाय गरबा
5-0.
Gor bas hojabai ayo.
With him on your side.
It was like a trap for Bodoland. The defending team, they're not as
Hनै
united and
ओरैबायदि चान्स होदों.
Yes, that ball to Ajare.
Sheh.
He dribbles past the
Let
defender
Anada
so
ba.
easily and then keeps his composure so well.
Borbat.
And once
Nei,
he goes,
then-
I've got no chance. Look at him.
Hush.
So quick, so fast to release that ball before the goalkeeper makes his attempt, and that's
Boris
the
जाबोनांगौ
basis
सेस
of
बरबाद.
what the
गैला.
fans want.
No, गोदसोखाबायलै बियो.
Keeps leveling
Saidu namara.
up every time he touches the ground like that. What a player
Seshin.
to have for not being an asset.
Hush.
He's been
Mojanganलै, ha-haनो.
this year in previous edition. But one thing,
गरबा मासि गाज्रि रेकर्ड लानो नागिरखोलै.
perfect of this edition of the Duran Cup.
देखायब्रा एसे एभेलेबेल ना. कपिराइट फैजानो गिनांगौ जोंहा. ब्रदार जितेन बर'.
Aladin and Charlie.
नै.
What player that is, you know. When you talk about a player, a complete player who runs off the ball, goes on the wide, his cross quality is amazing, his combination with his team
गरबा
is
गरबा.
brilliant. When it's
कपिराइट
shot,
फैयोलै डाइरेक्ट माबा होबा ओंखायनो होला आं कपिराइट फैनायखायनो.
it's amazing. That's Ajare for you.
गरबा सोजाबाय जिखुनु
Your
बड'लेण्डआनो.
entertainment.
नायलालै आं टाइम गैखाला आंने.
As a consolation,
87 मिनिट थांखाबाय.
Ajare has never scored 4 in the
देरि
World
आं
Cup.
नुनानै.
Just saying.
नायाबाबो जासिगोन. सोरबा हाखाला बेखौ नै 88 मिनिट थांखाबाय.
And he'll do it.
Made the right run again. Everything couldn't control it.
आयो.
Even the good performances from Partey, Jitin, Rinzwala has looked average in front of what
नोगोद
Argentina
गाज्रि
has done.
थगायो दै डेन्जार गोरों नर्थ इस्टना थांनाय बोसोराव बिसोर देरहादों.
That Moyano, he's been-
हारसिंनो साथाम गाहाम लायो हनै आयो.
The combination
Says,
from Ajare and
penalty-सिम
Moyano
मोनबावसिगोनदां.
yet to be seen.
सेस पेनाल्टिसिम ल'सिन नामा हनै.
Simply tries to get
Still एरायबाय.
the defenders brought down at the right time.
पेनाल्टि मोनबावसिगौसोमोन नै एसेयावनो हेरायबाय.
The addition of Robbie's pace now. Will you count him for an assist as well?
फावल. ओइ आदा अमा बेदरदो.
New find.
I'm not sure what do you.
Robbie
दे.
can display his skill with the fast
सेस
ball.
हाबावसिगोनसो नामा हनै. ओइस एरायबाय. सय गरसोबा सेस मोनलै.
I heard from somewhere.
Yeah, even I was wondering whether the referee blew the whistle.
डेन्जार गरबा सोबाय गरबा.
That is a handball, a weird one.
Oh, look at that smile from the referee. I heard the whistle, but it was not mine. That's what he said.
Oh wow, what a way to give away a free kick.
गरबा सोबाय गरबा.
We'll restart the drop of the ball. This is Aldin Ajare's 47th
5-0
for North
टाइम
East
गैयियाव
United.
मानसि लायगासिनो हनै जारलासो.
And if you're wondering what he has done in those 42
ओइ
games,
होबावबाय. होबावबाय.
Another to the tally. Partey.
Soi gol.
And
सय गरबायलै सेस. बरबाद नै. सय गर. होस फाग्ला बिदिखि गेलेयो. थोर्स. मासिबां थार क्लास गेलेखो. फाग्ला बायदि थोस. मोसौ बोरायनि थगायजायो हनै.
Look at that. Unselfish, like you said. Just
होस किपारा जायालै जोंना.
defenders in front of him.
बड'लेण्डनि किपारा जाया थार क्लास बेबो.
So brilliant.
ओमफ्राय डिफेन्सफ्राबो मोजां नङा.
Chance, neither does Bodo, no.
बहुद प्रेक्टिस खालामबावनांगोन सोलोंबावनांगोन जोंना बड'लेण्डना.
So soothing to watch for the thousands who have come to the stadium to support the Highlanders.
4 मिनिट होबावबाय
4 minutes more added on before that goal.
Soi gol
And the build up again and in that 42 matches.
don't worry about claims and
Played I was a little late to the challenge, but talking about the challenge, 57 goal contributions in 42 matches for Northeast.
57
What a start that is.
गरसेबो सोनो हाया बोरै जानांगौ जाखो थार क्लास
Now we talk about the transition in attack with
Hush,
Latin
la
midfield.
sing माथो
Especially after regaining possession, they have done quick switch
प्रेक्टिसखौनो मोजां खालामा नामा
behind the bodoland defenders, and that's something that
मोसौ
they
बोरायनि
have
थगायजायो
not
हनै
used.
Is there more in store?
6 गर जाबाय 6 गर नै 6 गर
57 goal contributions, 15 assists. Almost had another pocket.
6 गर
Decided to take the strike himself, but he opted to pass unselfish. 2 assists for Patrick Bodo.
6 गर जाबाय
Especially when you're in front of the goalkeeper is thinking the part is going to hit the ball. And all of a sudden, with the changes of
गय जाबावनोसैलां गय नै
not quick enough,
फाथैलायनो र'
man is starting to lose it of force. And that's really a teamwork.
He just keeps improving by 2 every time he moves forward. The first time was 2-0, the second time was 4-0, and the third time is 6-0 right now.
Yeah, but every time you see right since 2024, Bodoland have really improved in their technique, in their movement, and the spirit of really playing that game off together. Though they are overall over here, and right now, Northeast United really toying with them.
गय जाबायलां गय रागा जोंनानै लाजिनानै
And Bodoland cannot do that.
होबावसिगोन सादहरसिगोन नामालै बासिबाय
Even though it's a 6-0, Bodoland didn't look too bad. They're just not good enough to beat Northeast, but it's not like they didn't try.
First, जोब्बाय
But efforts wouldn't matter. At full time, what matters is the scoreline. And it's a statement one from the defending champions.
डेन्जार लागायबायलै आंनो
Using the depth, back to
गुड मर्निं ब्र मर्निं
the third to the team as well. And returning. You wonder why not. It's not easy like it's
First,
Bodoland
बर बाद नै 6 गरसो जाबाय 6 गर मा खालामदोंहाय नै फुटबल नायदों फुटबल बड'लेण्डआ गैला 6 गरसो जाबाय ओरैबायदि सोजाबाय नै जाला 44 56 shots 21 one target 13 corner 6 yes ada ang untungnya fighting for the I didn't understand that game. Kaman gaya game. Gila Bodolandआ जेनबाय 6 गराव लाइक होदो अननानै सोर फैदोंमोन प्लिज 6 गरसो जाबाय आरो जिखुनु माबाया बड'लेण्डआ ओरैबादि लासिं सिं गरसेबो सोनो हायैया लासिं सिं जाबाय आरो बिसिना जोंनि बर'फ्रा बहुद प्रेक्टिस खालामबावनांगोन जानाय नङा बिदिजों मोजां नायब्ला बुजिगोन हो
which opened up in the second half. Bodoland got his goal before he shut off 2-0 at that point. They were 4-0 to go.
स्पेननि बायदिसो गेलेदोंलै स्पेननि दाख्लै मालाय स्पेन गेलेनाया बेबायदिसो लाइक क्रेजी थेंक इउ के बसुमतारी
Under pressure, Portugal on top of him, but he just took his super stop for the
नोगोद डेन्जार डेन्जारसो खार
United is back. They would hope this is not
नायनानै ला
a one-time performance. They would hope it continues long. Looking long with his legacy
डेन्जार फट' खारो नैबे नै 12 नाम्बारा
comes on the pitch as an attacking player.
22 नाम्बार बेसेबांबा गोजाननिफ्राय शट होदों
This ball, this goal just hold on. You're wondering when will they stop scoring? The guy will never stop. Every time that they go to the just with his heart to fingers, look at the goalkeeper and then score to stop over at the goal. Keep it clear, keep it in mind. Any other window?
माय नेम इज कल्पना बसुमतारी वाव नाइस नेम थेंक यू सो माच खिथानायनि थाखाय लाइक कल्पना सिस्टार बालायलांबायसोलां फुटबलाबो मोजां नङा दिनैना बेकार 6 गल गाहाम सोबा बुरजा जानो
Bodoland FC. That's all for tonight, but tomorrow we come back to the Group B.
6 गल गाहामसो जाबाय 2 आगस्ट गाबोन कलकाता दं कलकाता नामा कलकातायावसो जागोन गाबोननि खेलाया बाय बाय everyone and win मानो थांनो नागिरखो दसे रायलायदो हारि मारबाय जिथियासै हाम्मा जेनस्राबाय आरो जेनस्राबायसो हाम्मानो 6 गरावहा रोंस्रायासै आरो आजां गाजांसो जलफ्रानो मोजां गेलेस्रायाखै मस्थ' हामा जेनबायले मस्थ' हामा जेनबाय ब्रादार हिन्जाव एन आइ आर टुगेदार ओके जेनबाय गैला बरबाद मा होनबावनो आरो ओरैबायदि लासिं सिं नेक्स्ट टाइमाव मोजां जोथोंसै बिराद गोराखालै बे जोंनि नर्थ इस्टनि टिमा थांनाय बोसोराव देरहाखादों बिराद गोरा बिसोरो हिन्जावखौसो सोंलायबावदों माथो सेस बरबाद दुरबल मोनो माथो सापर्ट टिमखौ बेबायदि जेनबा दाख्लैबो माबाखौ आर्जेन्टिनाखौ ओरैबायदि सापर्ट खालामबाय सेस स्पेनासो देरहाबाय सोर मा खालामदों दे आं बिराद दुखु मोनबाय नंगौ दुखु मोनदों दुखु गोनां माथो होनबावनो प्रेक्टिस खालामबावनांगौ बिरादनो जोंनि बर'फोरनिया दुखु गोनां ब्रादार नों बहा थायो आं बेंगलरावसो दंलै कर्नाटका स्टेटआव मा खालामबावनांगौ हम साथ है मोनाबाय नामा आसामाव जोंनिथिं मोनायाखै दाबो नै बिराद बरिया भिउआ दाबो नै नोंसिनिथिं मोनाबाय नामा जोंनिथिं मोनायाखै नै दाबो मोनायाखै I have bad brother okay नै मैथा बांगाला गोमो जाजोबबाय टमेट' गायदोंमोन बेयाव बानलु दं बानलु I am not sure what do you wait जाबाय I am read my comment papi मा बुङोब्रा मा बुङोब्रा गाबोन माजों दङ टिमा बेखौसो नायनांसिगोनलाय गाबोननि टिमखौ नायनो र' फाबसि होनलायदों कमेन्टखौ फरायदों माथो होनबावनो जेबो नङा दे महामेडान दंलै गाबोन महामेडान अबेनि बेलाय सेमलेसुरि नै गाबोननि टिमा सारिथायाव दं गाबोन सारिथायाव आदा बाजैखौ देखायदो ब्रा खनसेनो बाजैया गैया खामानियावसो दंहैयो खामानियावसो दंहैयोलै खामानियाव मालाबा नायदो लाइक खालामदो दे सोर सोर दङ दोननांसिगोन आंबो नै आधा घन्टा जाबाय दुरबल मोनबाय माथो गोसोफोरखौनो दुरबल मोनबाय मा खालामबावनो फुटबलाबो नायबाबो नै इन्ट्रेस्ट गैयासै गोसोफोरखौनो अखान्थि मोनबाय सिमरिनाय बारबायदि उरखांलाङो दे आदैमोन दोनथ'नाय जासिगोन फुटबलाबो माथो दुरबल जाबाय दिनैनि दिनाव नायबाबो गोजोनासै माथो बरबाद Jeff, olha aí, Nigeria.
Celebrando en el banco de suplentes del equipo interior.
Deh ada man dan hunay sing deh, gaji menang lah. Mata kalam bawa